We'll guide you through how to use the Krita text tool. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add text. Look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen and find the A icon, which represents the text tool. Click on it to activate the text tool. Now, click anywhere on your canvas where you want the text to appear. A text box will pop up where you can type your text. You can adjust the font style, size, and color from the options at the top of the screen. If you want to move the text around, click and drag the text box to your desired location. To edit the text, simply double-click on the text box, and the editing window will appear again. You can also rotate the text by selecting the text layer from the Layers panel on the right and using the Transform tool. If you want to add effects like shadows or outlines, you can do so by right-clicking on the text layer and selecting Layer Styles. From here, you can experiment with various effects to make your text stand out. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once you're satisfied with the text, you can continue working on other parts of your project or export the image if you're finished. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.